Today is 13 October 2020. MSTCET Cutoff 2020 COEP Pune for Computer Science. In 2016, for PCM students, the PCM students appear number is 2.7 lakh, marks 186, rank 126, percentile 99.832, and this is for third round. In 2017, PCM student appear number is 2.8 lakh, marks 181, rank 102, percentile 99.869. In 2018, PCM students appeared 2.96 lakhs, marks 176, rank 172, percentile 99.940. In 2018 and 2019, due to in PC the percentile score or percentile marks is vary for PCM and PCB group. So in 2019, PCM students appeared number is 2.76 lakhs, marks 172 to 175. The mark variation is due to the percentile score for PCM and PCB students are completely vary. Due to this, the prediction of mark is very difficult, but we approximately calculate it is near to 172 to 175, rank 134, and percentile 99.920. And the prediction for MSTCET 2020 COEP cutoff for computer science, this is the prediction. PCM students appear near about 2.7 to 3 lakhs, and marks for and secure admission safe and secure admission marks is 175 plus, rank is for safer side for sure and safer admission, rank 100 or 125, percentile 99.999. We also discuss about the Unacademy IIT platform. Unacademy IIT PK is now on Unacademy. Upcoming batches for MSTCET 2021 aspirants starts from 27 September 2020. Enroll now. The PCMB, PCM, PCB all groups links are given in the description box. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus 12-month plan at 16,500 rupees. 6-month plan at 13,500 rupees. Use code 7info to avail 10% off. The top educators of IIT PK. The Unacademy IIT PK is now on Unacademy MSTCET. IIT Prashikshan Kendra is one of Maharashtra's topmost institute for MSTCET. Batches starting soon for 2021 aspirant. Follow the educators. The links are given in the description box. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus 12-month plan at 16,500, 6-month plan at 13,500. Use code 7info to avail 10% off. AIIT PK top educators. Then Hindi batch for MSTCET 2021 PCM, PCMB, PCB starts on 5th October. 6-month full syllabus Hindi batch. Start your preparation for MSTCET 2021. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus at 12,150 for 6-month plan. Use code 7info to avail a 10% discount. The PCMB, PCM, PCB links are given in the description box. Unacademy Plus. Are you a Plus subscriber? Benefits of a Plus: premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing session, quizzes at regular interval for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP full-length mock etc. with analysis, single subscription for unlimited access, everything under single plus subscription, 30 plus top educator, 20 plus batches, 350 plus courses, 2000 plus lessons and many more added every day. For 10% discount, use code 7info. Unacademy Plus subscription, best plan for MSTCET 2021 aspirant, 12-month plan at 14,850 rupees 1,238 per month, 6-month plan at rupees 12,150 or rupees 2,025 per month. New batches starts every Monday. For 10% discount, use code 7info. Batches: Hindi batch for MSTCET 2021 PCMB, Hindi English comprehensive batch for MSTCET 2021 PCMB, Marathi batch for MSTCET 2021 PCMB, English Hindi Champions batch for CET 2021 PCMB. Unacademy Plus subscription. Learn from top educators like Jagdish Wagh, Digambar Mali, Nirmal Vishwal, Rahul Mohnani, Amol Chandankar, Swati Pawar, Tajveer, Tejveer, Sayyed Asnain, Atul Pednekar, Divekar Narayanan, Rajni Unnithan, Prarthana Pawar, Pankaj Khale, Manoj Kabra. Unacademy Test Series full length mock test series for MSTCET 2020. Two mocks weekly for MSTCET, subject wise analysis by top educators. Take live test or attempt later. Evaluate your performance. Gain confidence before actual examination. Running from 5th September. Enroll now for free. Schedule: Saturday PCM mock test, Sunday PCB mock test, Monday to Friday subject and mock wise analysis. All India mock test series for MSTCET 2020. Full length mock test series for MSTCET 2020 starts on 5th September. Unacademy Test Series Daily T20 Free Practice Test Series for MSTCET 2021-2022. Daily Test: 20 questions in 20 minutes. Subject wise analysis by top educators. Take live test and get leaderboard ranking. Evaluate your performance. Attempt later multiple times. Practice regularly and gain confidence for exam. Running from 5th October. Schedule: Monday Physics, Tuesday Chemistry, Wednesday Mathematics, Thursday Botany, Friday Zoology. Daily T20 pre-practice test for MSTCET. Daily T20 pre-practice test for MSTCET starts on October 5. Telegram link given in the description box and all other related links also given in the description box.